Hey guys, we're gonna be playing with some slime today. I got sent a package from Kawaii Slime Company. I'm so excited, so you guys get the first look. Ooh, I love the packaging. Okay, let's remove all this paper. This is like a thank you card, and here's all the slimes. But first we got a slime activator and a slime softener. Now let's actually get into the actual slime. Okay, they sent me 3. I'm so excited to play with them. First up, this is Conversation Heart Fluff. You can see like there's little charms. Just a slime. I think I might put a little bit of the slime softener in it. Okay, let's add some of this in. And it says add some in and then just mix it. Ooh, this is some good slime. I want to add the little charms. Guys, look at that. Now we're just gonna mix it. It smells so good. Now we're gonna open this one. It's called Cupid's Bunnygram. I'm really excited for this one. They all smell really good. I'm gonna add a tad bit of slime softener. Now we're gonna add these charms. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the last one. This is called Pugs and Kisses. Look at the little pugs. Guys, look at the shimmer. This one smells so good. I like my slime is kind of softer, so I always add a little bit of this. Okay, now let's add the charms. Look at, they have googly eyes. Guys, this is so cute. I also love how they gave us slime activator and slime softener. And once again, thank you Kawaii Slime Company for sending me all these. But yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, love you guys.